Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Scorpios. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Scorpios, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Scorpios. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever, so you can contact her. Scorpio. So let's start with these cards for your general energies today. So we have Ace of Cups in reverse, Knight of Pentacles, and Five of Swords. So, in your circumstances, Scorpios, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are a very kind and a helpful person. And today you are helping people. Maybe you are helping people who are close to you, your friends, family, people whom you work with. And you are making a lot of efforts, striving really hard. And in your circumstances, you may have a lot of competition, lot of businesses competing with you, people competing with you, people jealous of you, jealous of your skills and talents. But no matter what, you are a person really determined to achieve success. So you're striving really hard, working really hard. And today, in your circumstances, maybe in this connection, you may have some misunderstanding, something may not go as you have expected, something may go against your expectations, and you may feel that though you are trying to build a beautiful understanding in this relationship, things are not going as you had hoped for. Some hi, say hi, Berry. This is my pet bird, Berry. He doesn't want to show his face, I think, in the reading. So, though you are a person, a very helpful person, you may have people who are against you, who are opposing you, lot of competition, and you may feel that you cannot trust. Maybe with this person, you are trying to build a beautiful relationship, trying to have a good understanding, and you are someone really honest, someone devoted to this relationship, responsible. But still, you may feel that this person is not what you have expected today. And you feel that you cannot trust them, trust this person. So, we will see what is the card for your relationship. It's King of Pentacles in reverse. So, maybe there may be some difficulties in this relationship because of the way you are or because of the way this person is. So, these misunderstandings may resolve if you have that patience and perseverance to hold on, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have picked one card. We will see what is the card. And it is Temperance in reverse. So maybe in your work, you are facing some obstacles or some kind of a negative circumstance because your vision may be different from others. Maybe people you work with, their ideas and vision may be different. That may be the reason things are not going as expected. You may see some difficulties today. So that is the energy here, Scorpios. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now. Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstance, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. That way, the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for those who chose this card. Fork in the road. So maybe today you are making an important decision, something you need to do, and you are in a circumstance you have to make a choice today. And this is the time of evolution of your relationship. So, will you choose to go towards a possibility of a deeper commitment or moving away from this person? Maybe walking away. So, what is it that you want? You must make a choice that is true to your intentions. So, it must be a honest decision, something you must base on the truth you have within yourself. So, there is nothing right or wrong in a choice today. So, if you move forward with this relationship, it just means that you truly love this person, and this decision is based on truth, and you will have made a conscious choice today rather than simply hanging because you don't want to be alone or ending things because you are afraid of a genuine connection. So, today the energy with this card is all roads lead to the lessons you need to learn in this relationship. So, there is nothing right about this choice and nothing wrong about the other choice. So, regardless of the decision you make, you should make a decision based on your truest intentions. So, what you truly feel and what you honestly desire, that is what must be the, what to say, that must be the deciding thing in this choice. So you must make the choice that is true to your heart. That is what this card is about, authentic choice. When you do that, you will be moving on the right path no matter what choice you make today. So that is the energy here. And for those who chose this card, that is a reading for you all today. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have the Nixie of Mill Pond. So, with this card, the energy is that maybe you are quite emotional and you are trying to avoid a particular circumstance because you want to avoid that emotional situation and you want complete control, but you are unable to control your feelings and your emotions. And today, this card is about facing the circumstance. So, whatever it may be, you need to face that emotional situation, whether you are afraid of it, afraid of handling those emotions, whatever it is. If you face that circumstance, you are just going to overcome all the fears, and you are just going to free yourself of this curse of fear of certain emotions today. And this circumstance is here to create a emotional change in your life. That is the reason you are in this situation, facing up your fears, and you will be tested. But when you face the emotions that you have been avoiding till now, that will be the end of sorrow you are experiencing because of these emotions, and it will bring joy, happiness, and love, and it will bring recognition of your true soul family, maybe people who are truly close to you, who are truly concerned about you. You will be able to identify those people today if you face this circumstance, and instead of avoiding something, you need to have that courage and strength, determination to face it and get it over with. So that is the energy here with this card. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.